Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the entire merciful. Tanzilul Kitabi min Allahil Azizil Hakim. The revelation of the Quran is from Allah, the exalted in might, the wise. إِنَّا أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ الْكِتَابَ بِالْحَقِّ فَاعْبُدِ اللَّهَ مُخْلِصًا لَهُ الدِّينَ. Indeed, we have sent down to you the book, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in truth. So worship Allah, being sincere to Him in religion. ألا لله الدين الخالص والذين اتخذوا من دونه أولياء ما نعبدهم إلا ليقربونا إلى الله زلفى إن الله يحكم بينهم فيما هم فيه يختلفون إن الله لا يهدي من هو كاذب كفار. Unquestionably, for Allah is the pure religion, and those who take protectors besides Him say we only worship them, that they may bring us nearer to Allah in position. Indeed, Allah will judge between them concerning that over which they differ. Indeed, Allah doesn't guide he who is a liar and confirm disbeliever. لو أراد الله أن يتخذ ولدا لاصطفى مما يخلق ما يشاء سبحانه والله الواحد القهار. If Allah had intended to take a son, He could have chosen from what He creates whatever He willed. Exalted is He is Allah, the One, the Prevailing. خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق يكور الليل على النهار ويكور النهار على الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى ألا هو العزيز الغفار. He created the heavens and the earth in truth. He robs the night over the day and robs the day over the night, and has subjected the sun and the moon, each running its course for a specified term. Unquestionably, He is the exalted in might, the perpetual forgiver. Sadaqallahul Azim. God Almighty has spoken the truth.